Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the OFANKU 2-in-1 bathroom exhaust fan with light, a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining fresh air and bright illumination in your bathroom. This innovative design combines a 32W vent fan with a 16-watt LED light, offering an impressive airflow of 130 CFM and a noise level of less than 1.5 sones, making it perfect for rooms up to 160 square feet. With its 1500 RPM motor, it effectively removes moisture and odors, ensuring no steam or fogged mirrors after a hot shower, while the 1200 lumens LED light provides 3 adjustable color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K, to suit your mood and style. Installation is a breeze with its 9.25 by 9.25 inch ceiling fit and quick brackets, and it comes with everything you need, including a duct adapter and screws. The stylish appearance makes it suitable for various settings, from bathrooms to utility rooms, enhancing air quality and ambiance wherever it's installed. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing support is available if needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.